Okay, I'm going to do a quick system test on my fire alarm collection. As it's set up right now, it's still a work in progress, but I got some of it set up that I went through in a previous video. So I'm just going to go ahead and set it off and then go through the reset procedure as well as the additional signaling circuit that I've set up to let me use other signals. So as you can see, I have the signaling circuits that I can set up here. I don't have the bell connected yet, but I do have the relay connected, and you can probably hear that, which is this one going right here. Now that's going to be setting off my non-24 volts devices, and if I turn it off, you can see, I don't know if you can still hear the click. The click of the actual alarm relay is still going. But as I went through in the last video, I had a problem with this, with it setting off the signal trouble, so I send it through the auxiliary panel, or the auxiliary output, which is a relay that closes when the alarm when it goes into alarm, and that kept the thing from being connected when it was turned on and setting off the signal trouble. But you'll notice if I turn it back on, the signal trouble is actually blinking, because whenever it's off, it's detecting a fault because it's too high or too low resistance, I believe, and setting the signal trouble off. If it stayed on any longer and it wasn't an alarm, the horn would go off as well, the little buzzer. So that was just an interesting side of that. So that's basically the system as it is right now. I'm going to turn the horns back on and then reset it like you normally would. That's the back of the horn there. Acknowledge, which you don't have to do. You can just hit reset. And then reset. Goes through the boot process, goes back to green, and we're good to go. And more in the next couple of videos. Thanks.